barikue da, biharreko azken eguna. Baina ikusten zuenez, eurixe da, eta orduen ez dakiz ze biharra ingo dugun. Espero dut kanpuen biherri izan ez izetie. Orduen ia barruen esozein aldugun, edo ia Andriek zesatezkun. 9:04 eta ondino Andri ez da agertu. Ez dakik sartu dan, ez dakik zein biogun, orduen hemen, aspertute denpora pasa. Bueno, etorria gehil, esan duzku gaur ez daukela lanik utzako, ez daukela SB ikeko, orduen juteko Newportera, orduen horan improvisada, hartuko dugu autobuse eta goiz Newportera ja ze dagoen.
So here I keep on singing, singing to myself, to keep me from crying, while the countdown's coming to an end. Oh, to an end, to an end. Oh, it's coming to an end.
Business sign right there if you wanted to go all kinds of
Okay, thanks. Bye. Eurixe dau, eta ez dakik unon gauze.
Euriez, zirimiri.
Bueno, zirimiri, bai, egiz zen.
Coming. Should I've read the signs? There's no going back, and I know it's win or lose.
Ez dakit oso moda antiguaren da bat, edo bigarren eskuko den da bat. Zer lautan apur bat. Kutxu ez boteten.
You know I'm trying to do, but I'm trying to do myself. Well, it's been a hard.
Pena da, horako golditxe gotiez, honek emoten dago hemen goldiona dagoenien ambienti asko dagoela, zepio baten da daz. Beitu, partu. Eta bueno, gaur bueltatxo bat emotera, dinetan sartzie eta zozer bazkaltzena. Usteot ebateko dugula bazkaltzeko tatixe. Hi, we are two. Okay.
Hey guys, can I get you guys something to drink?
Yeah, why is this one water? Water too?
No problem. So there's some specials up there, and then that's the menu right there.
Okay. Okay, thanks.
You guys gonna have that?
I will have a freedom burger.
Okay.
I'm in California.
Okay.
And we want French fries.
Split.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, it's been a hard day. It's been a hard day. Well, it's been a hard day.
Beteta gaiz, anan dabe eskatu dugu posti.
Once upon a time, when I was afraid, I was standing face head on. Now there comes a time, step aside, errors will forever haunt.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too.
Well, you know I'm trying to do my best. Well, it's been a hard.
Hau bere garaian, ondino da, baina izan zen diruren lekue. Eta orduen dauz masino kolonialak, baina kristonak, Hau da, increíble.
day. Well, it's been a hard day. It's been a hard day. Well, it's been a hard day. It's been a hard day. Well, it's been a hard day. It's been a hard day. It's been a hard.
Bueno, apura atertu da, eta oin ditxenez, atzeko ikusi daike.
It's been a hard day. It's been a hard day.
Ja, goiez Newportetik, zekere hori izan da, holan folk, dantza internazionalen ikastaro bat edo, eta nien ez txarra dantza egiten, baina itxasen nahi dagoen, eta horren jungo abisok. Hagoi ez ja folk dantza ikastarotara edo, eta ikastaro bat organizatzen da bena Domeketan juten garen Elisak. Orduen ez dakigu jente asko gongo dan, edo ez da inorre gongo, gu bakarrik hartuko zen, momentuz goioz gu bisok, Gail, eta hemen gure ausokide bat. Antzadan ez dela moskor bat, baina bueno, osake, bitxuslako panorama daukegun. So what did you use that for? For plants and...
You want to call Lou? Go on, you stay. That's a good girl. Thank you.
Now she uses the manure to keep the neighbors away.
That's a good way to keep them away.
Right, yes. If it stinks, don't go there.